Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are anything like me, you struggle with severe tummy issues. I am lactose intolerant. I have been dairy-free since January of this year, January of 2024, so around 8 months now. But the other day, I was craving cheese so bad. I don't know if it was just a time of the month thing, but this restaurant that we went to had this elote corn queso. Oh my God. I was like, I have to break my rule. Like, I know that I'm going to struggle. I know it's going to be miserable, but I need to eat this cheese. So what did I do? I decided to prevent it from happening with these Lactaid pills. So it literally, their slogan is enjoy dairy again. Don't mind if I freaking do. It's fast acting. It's a lactase enzyme supplement. It says enjoy dairy again with no discomfort, and this is for the prevention of gas, bloating, and diarrhea. There are 32 caplets is what they call them. So it's these small little pills. And all I did was like legitimately just take it with water, and I felt almost instantly better. So what it tells you to do is take at first bite of dairy. I did not do that because I had already eaten all the queso. I took it afterwards. So going forward, I'm going to use the other remaining 31 pills to take before I want to enjoy dairy. Then it literally says, enjoy dairy. And then from there, repeat. If you continue to eat foods containing dairy after 30 to 45 minutes, take another caplet. So all in all, I don't know personally if I will continue consuming dairy per se. It's just a personal choice that I've made to not drink or eat cow-produced like milk or dairy. However, if and when somebody has a elote corn dip again, this is what I'm going to choose.